Hey guys, so I'm back here again doing a Snapchat tutorial. So I decided that I want to do something quick. I know a lot of people do get bored really easily. So I'm going to do Snapchat tutorials. They're going to be to the point and pretty basic. So if you want any longer tutorial, go ahead and comment below. And if you like them, comment below and just let me know what you guys think and if you guys want to see more of these. So, I don't even know what I'm going to do for today's look, so here we go. Alright guys, so this is my final look here. I decided to go with a little bit of a blue underneath the eye. I like it. What do you guys think? I did my foundation and my lip color off camera, so if you guys are interested in that, shoot me a comment below. Tell me if you like this video and if you want more Snapchat tutorials. Alright, and as you know, I'll see you next time on this YouTube channel. It's only fair that I show you how I look without no filter and just with direct sunlight under facing me. So here are the colors. Here's my eyeballs. Tell me what you think. Bye guys.
This is actually how I look. This is not a filter.
Actually, this is me. This is the real me. Bye.